Hi, I'm Krista,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and we're Farmhouse Roseco. And today we're making a All Hearts Come Home for Christmas sign. The supplies we're using includes 2 elf signs from Dollar Tree, a truck from Dollar Tree, some trees from Dollar General, some chalk paint, Mod Podge faux snow, and a vinyl. We're going to begin by removing the Happy Holiday banners from our signs and the tags as well. Now we're going to flip our signs to the printed side, and we're going to take 5 craft sticks and we're going to glue them onto the sign using wood glue and hot glue. We're doing this to hold the signs together so they're like one piece. Once the glue is dried, we're going to flip the sign over onto the back side, and we're going to paint it with 1 coat of sheepskin by Folk Art. We're going to set our sign aside to dry, and now we're going to work on our truck sign. We're going to begin by painting the truck with red chalk paint. Now we're going to take some green chalk paint and paint the tree. Now we're going to take a dabber and use it as a template to trace a circle on the tires, and we're going to use that for the rim. Now we're going to paint the rim using metallic silver chalk paint by Folk Art. And we're going to paint the tires with ink by Waverly. Now we're going to distress our sign using Truffle by Waverly and a chip brush. Once our truck sign has dried, we're going to distress it using ink by Waverly. And we're going to distress the tree using white chalk paint to make it look snowy. Now we're going to use our pack of trees from Dollar General, and you're going to use one of the smallest and set it on the sign, and we're going to trace it 4 times across the bottom. Now we're going to fill in the shapes using green chalk paint. We're going to go over our trees with the same sheepskin and truffle paint that we used on our sign to make the trees look aged. Now we're going to transfer our vinyl onto the sign. This is a design we made with our Cameo. Now we're going to use a mixture of wood glue and hot glue to glue our truck into place. This step is optional, but we took some greenery and created a little wreath to go onto the truck. And we glued it into place. Now we're going to add some embellishments to our wreath. This part is customizable, so feel free to use any items you would like. Now we're going to add some striped twine under a tree to make it look like it has lights on it. Now we're going to brush some Mod Podge onto the truck and the trees to add some faux snow. Now we're going to use some nautical rope to create a hanger for our sign. We're going to tie knots on each end of the rope and glue it in the front to give it a more rustic look. And here's how our beautiful sign turned out. I just love how this sign turned out. It's going to be a perfect piece to add to our Christmas decor. We'll have our Decorate With Me videos coming out soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for joining us today.
If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you for your support.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy Thanksgiving from Farmhouse Rose.
Talk to you guys next time.
Bye for now.